And joining us live is Ashar Khan, Deputy Editor, as well as Aditi, who joins us live to get us the BJP angle on the story. But first up, let me cut across to Ashar Khan. Ashar, what Priyanka Gandhi has been doing in the last 24 hours is taking Narendra Modi head on. Now, this quite literally puts her in the pole position as far as the Congress party is concerned.
Well, yes, in the last 2 days when she's come to Raebareli, she's become the top crusader of the Congress party, taking head on, in fact, the BJP's prime ministerial candidate. In fact, yesterday, in her first public meeting, she hit out at the opposition for targeting her family, for maligning the reputation of her family. Then today, in the conversation, in about her fourth public meeting, she mentioned the Snoopgate issue. So clearly, we've seen that Priyanka Gandhi has come out, and in the 2 days she's been campaigning, she's been setting the news agenda as far as taking on the BJP's prime ministerial candidate is concerned.
Ashar, do stay with me. Aditi is also joining us live. Aditi, how's the BJP planning to counter and tackle Priyanka Gandhi's charm offensive?
Clearly, at this point of time, the BJP's opinion is that Priyanka Gandhi is trying to divert attention from the key issues that Narendra Modi had been raising, whether it's about development or other issues of anti-corruption. In fact, the BJP has also gone out to say that Priyanka Gandhi is now taking direct jibes at Narendra Modi and raking up issues like the Snoopgate scandal only to divert attention from her husband, which is Robert Vadra, because that is one case which the BJP was taking head on at the Congress party. In fact, now the BJP has carefully planned its strategy as far as taking a direct jibe at Priyanka Gandhi is concerned. The BJP has said that why Priyanka, till yesterday when she was saying that personal comments should not be made in public as far as the political leaders are concerned, and now raking up the Snoopgate issue, she herself is going public, and she herself is going into the personal matters of other political leaders, whether it is about Narendra Modi or whether it is about Amit Shah. In fact, they are also going out and saying, Vedika, at this point of time, that a commission was to be set up by the Congress party, by the government, to take into the investigation of the Snoopgate scandal. But the Congress itself decided not to set up a commission. So why is it that at this point of time that Priyanka Gandhi is raising such issues at a public platform? Clearly, the elections at this point of time, as far as the Congress party is concerned, the BJP feels that it will be personalized and there will be personal attacks. But the BJP is absolutely ready to counter Priyanka Vadra's comments on Narendra Modi and Amit Shah, and they will now head-on take direct jibes at not only Priyanka Gandhi but also at Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi, Vedika.
All right, Aditi and Ashar, thanks for joining us on our top political story. They will keep coming back to you for more.